Imagine this. It's a Friday night, your friends are planning an expensive getaway, and you don't have to think twice about saying yes. Why? Because you finally hit a milestone that feels almost impossible to most. Your first $10,000 saved or earned. Sounds exciting, right? Now imagine missing out on that opportunity because you kept telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But here's the truth. Most people will never take that first step. Will you? Or will you let this moment pass by? Stay with me, because today, I'm going to walk you through the proven steps to make your first $10,000. Practical, actionable advice that could change your life. Start where you are. The journey to $10,000 begins not with some genius business idea, but with your mindset. Ask yourself, why do I want this money? Is it to escape debt, achieve freedom, or simply prove to yourself that you can? The clearer your why, the stronger your motivation. Here's the kicker. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Start small. The first $10 you save, the first $50 you invest, or the first $100 you earn from a side hustle will pave the way. Pattern. Interrupt. By the way, ever noticed how your $5 coffee habit doesn't feel expensive until you do the math? That's $150 a month. How many of you just reached for your budget app? Set SMART goals. Here's a secret of the top 1%. They set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. For example, if your goal is to save $10,000 in a year, break it down. That's $833 per month, or $28 per day. Doesn't sound so intimidating now, does it? Now write it down. Studies show you're 42% more likely to achieve your goals when you write them down. What if I told you there's a way to boost your income in under a week without leaving your current job? Stick around. We're getting there. Earning your first $10,000 of leverage. Your current skills. Look around you. What skills do you already have? Can you write, design, code, or tutor? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn can connect you to clients in need. Start small, build credibility, and charge higher rates as your expertise grows. Here's a pro tip. Specialize. Instead of being a generic freelancer, become the go-to person for, say, Instagram ad copy or WordPress troubleshooting. Pattern. Interrupt. Quick question. How many of you have Googled how to make money fast in the past month? Yeah, we've all been there. Start a side hustle. Side hustles are no longer optional. They're essential. Whether it's driving for Uber, selling products on Etsy, or flipping items on eBay, there's a hustle for everyone. And here's the thing. The average side hustle can bring in $500 to $1,000 per month. Do the math? That's your $10,000 goal in less than a year. But what if you could make your money work for you instead of working for money? That's next. Investing and automating. Invest early and often. Once you've saved your first $1,000, don't let it sit idle. Invest it. Whether it's index funds, ETFs, or even a high-yield savings account, your money should be growing while you sleep. Did you know that investing just $500 a month at an 8% annual return can grow to over $10,000 in less than 2 years? Compound interest is the real game changer here. Automate your savings. One trick the wealthy swear by is automation. Set up your bank account to automatically transfer a percentage of your income into savings or investments. It removes the temptation to spend and ensures you stay on track. Let me guess. Some of you are thinking, but I barely make enough to save. Trust me, you'd be surprised how much you can save when it's out of sight and out of mind. Making the $10,000 milestone achievable, the path to your first $10,000 is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's about making consistent, intentional decisions every single day. Remember, every dollar saved, every skill sharpened, and every small win compounds over time. Now, picture yourself in a year, debt-free, with $10,000 to your name, and the confidence to tackle even bigger financial goals. How does it feel? But here's the question. Once you've made your first $10,000, how do you keep it growing? How do you save smarter, invest wiser, and ultimately build wealth like the world's top savers? Don't miss my video on The Chinese Secret to Saving Money, linked on the end screen. It's packed with timeless strategies to elevate your financial journey. The first $10,000 is just the beginning. Let's make it happen.